Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Frank, and today I want to talk to you guys about onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia are sound words. That means that the word sounds like whatever sound it's representing. We know the easy ones would be woof for a dog barking, or meow for a cat meowing. Okay, so today we're going to just imagine that we're in a classroom and what kinds of onomatopoeia or sound words we might hear in a classroom. So let's imagine we're in a classroom and we're taking a test, okay? During this test, you might hear pencils on paper. The sound of pencils on paper is the scratching of pencils. There might be a clock in the room, and if it's really quiet, you could hear the tick-tock, tick-tock. Okay, so that's the tick-tocking of a clock. The door suddenly opens, and the door is creaky. It's the sound of a door that's not greased up or oiled up, so you hear. That's called the creaking of a door. Another sound you might hear during a test is when students flip a page. The sound of paper moving is called the rustling of paper, to rustle. Another sound that you might hear while taking a test could be the clattering of something falling. Clatter is the sound that something makes when it falls on the floor or falls on a desk, like pens or markers that fall. And two students are cheating, so they're whispering quietly to each other. That could be a whisper, but the sound is the chatter of students. Chatter is the onomatopoeia for quiet, low talking between people. All right, so there you have some example onomatopoeia that you might hear in a classroom. Of course, there's so much more, which we'll cover in another video in the future. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.